Dad said, let's make a bird feeder, a little place where birds can eat. When seeds are hard for them to find, a feeder makes their search complete.
Joy helped Dad step after step. Jojo stayed close by to see.
Careful hands and quiet work can help small creatures in a tree. Step by step, wait and see. Good things come quietly. Look and learn, stay calm, stay near. Little wings may soon appear. They painted hearts upon the wood, then filled it up with seeds inside. Dad hung it high and then they stepped back to watch and wait with patient eyes.
Waiting softly is a lesson. Not every good thing comes at once.
When we stay still and keep observing, the world can answer in small sounds. Step by step, wait and see. Good things come quietly. Look and learn, stay calm, stay near. Little wings may soon appear. One bird came, then one more followed. Soft little wings from tree to tree. Small loving work can make a difference, more than our eyes first learn to see.
Helping hands can build a welcome. Patient hearts can make it last.
Tiny lives need food and shelter, and small good deeds grow strong and fast.
Joy and Jojo, Dad loves you.